Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pork chops and gravy. First, pat your pork chops completely dry. This is crucial for a good sear. Season them generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Heat a skillet with a little oil over medium-high heat, then sear the chops until they're beautifully golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. After searing, transfer your pork chops to a baking dish. Pop them into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake until they reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes depending on thickness. Let them rest for 5 minutes after baking to keep them juicy. Now for the amazing gravy. Return your skillet to the stove. Deglaze it with about 1 cup of chicken broth, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. These are packed with flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour, stirring constantly to form a roux. Cook this for about 1 minute to eliminate any raw flour taste. Slowly whisk in another 1 1/2 cups of chicken broth, ensuring no lumps form. Bring the gravy to a simmer, stirring occasionally, and let it cook until it thickens to your desired consistency. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper. Pour this incredible gravy generously over your perfectly cooked pork chops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.